Here is a step-by-step guide to creating a Django project. We're going to start by creating a project directory so we can have our project in there. Let's start by going to the terminal and getting to the directory we want to be in. In my case, I keep all my Django projects inside a folder named Python, so I'll move there first. Then, inside my folder, I'll make a directory named example to do. I will cd into the directory, and once I'm inside, I'll create a virtual environment by using the command python3 -mvenv. You can stop there and press enter, or you can add the name of the virtual environment at the end. I'll add the name of the virtual environment here for you to see. Now we're going to activate the virtual environment. Use the command source name of the virtual environment /bin/activate. After activating the virtual environment, we can finally install Django. Use the command pip3 install Django in the terminal. We can now start a project and give a project name. Use the command Django admin start project followed by the name of your project. Next, I'll cd into the project and use the command python3 manage the py run server. And you can see your Django project at this link. I will now go to VS Code to continue creating apps. You can create an app by using the command python manage the py start app, followed by the name of the app. After creating the app, you will need to add the name of your app inside settings.py. Now we have a Django project. You can create your models inside models.py, go to views.py to write functions for your logic, create a urls.py file at the app level, and add a folder called template inside the app to create your .html files. I'll talk all about these and how to create a simple to-do list using Django in the next video.